सेंट्रल एशिया में चीन लगातार अपनी दखल बढ़ा रहा है। मध्य एशिया में चीन को चित्त करने के लिए भारत ने उस इलाके के अहम देश किर्गिस्तान से अपनी दोस्ती मजबूत करने के लिए अहम कदम उठाया है। भारत और किर्गिस्तान ने आतंकवाद के खिलाफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटी पर जोर दिया है। इसके साथ ही दोनों देशों के बीच रक्षा सहयोग बढ़ाने पर भी फैसला लिया गया। बता दें कि किर्गिस्तान टॉर्पेडो वेपन सिस्टम के उत्पादन में महारत रखता है। किर्गिस्तान के राष्ट्रपति अतमबाएव भारत दौरे पर हैं। मंगलवार को राष्ट्रपति अतमबाएव ने पीएम मोदी से मुलाकात की है। इस दौरान दोनों देशों के बीच पर्यटन, कृषि और युवा मामलों से संबंधित कुल 6 समझौतों पर हस्ताक्षर हुए। इसके बाद दोनों नेताओं ने ज्वाइंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की।
Your Excellency, Mr. Almazbek Atambayev, President of Kyrgyz Republic, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. I am delighted to welcome President Almazbek Atambayev on his first state visit to India. Excellency, the warmth of your hospitality and welcome during my visit to the Kyrgyz Republic in July last year is still fresh in my mind. Your visit this time helped us to carry forward the momentum of our cooperation and high-level contacts. The relationship between India and Kyrgyz Republic is filled with goodwill from centuries of shared historical links. Our societies share a sense of warmth that permits our contacts with Central Asia, including the Kyrgyz Republic. We are also bound by a common belief in democratic values and traditions. Much credit goes to President Atambayev for nurturing and building strong foundations of democracy in Kyrgyz Republic. Friends, President Atambayev and I held extensive discussions on the full range of our bilateral engagement. We focus on our common priority of diversifying and deepening bilateral engagement. We also discuss how we could work together to secure our youth and society against the common challenges of terrorism, extremism, and radicalism. We agreed on the need to coordinate and work closely in addressing and overcoming these challenges for our common benefit. We regard Kyrgyz Republic as a valuable partner in our common pursuit of making Central Asia a region of sustainable peace, stability, and prosperity. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization will also give us a valuable framework to work together on these issues. Friends, President Atambayev and I reviewed our cooperative engagement in the defense field. The Kyrgyz India Mountain Biomedical Research Center is an excellent example of successful collaboration. It has proved to be a rewarding research initiative which we need to build on. We have commenced work on a Kyrgyz-India Joint Military Training Center in Kyrgyz Republic. Our jointly military exercise on counter-terrorism are now an annual feature. The next edition has been planned for first quarter of next year in Kyrgyz Republic. Friends, President Atambayev and I agreed on the need to connect our economies more deeply. To this end, we will work to strengthen bilateral trade and economic linkages and facilitate greater people-to-people exchanges. We will encourage industry and business on both sides to play a leading role in exploiting opportunities in healthcare, tourism, information technology, agriculture, mining, and energy. We have decided to build on our development cooperation, including in capacity building and training. People have been at the center of such initiatives. We shall give special emphasis to youth exchange in our technical and economic cooperation program with Kyrgyz Republic. The understandings concluded today will support our trust in these directions. In a first with the Central Asian region, we had initiated telemedicine links with Kyrgyz Republic last year. We are taking steps to expand this project to other regions of the Kyrgyz Republic. Friends, India and the Kyrgyz Republic will be making the 25th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic ties between the two countries in March 2017. As we approach this milestone, President Atambayev visit to India will drive the process and our efforts of our deepening our partnership. It will also help consolidate the recent gains in our engagement and reinforce our ties in the months and years ahead. I wish President Atambayev a memorable and productive visit in India. Thank you. Thank you very much.